Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on how to use AI to stack some serious cash. And I'm not talking about waiting years, we're talking about the next 30 days. Get ready to have your minds blown because we're diving into the world of AI and how it can make you rich. Let's go! Alright guys, first things first, we gotta understand why everyone's freaking out about AI. This isn't just some techie buzzword, it's seriously changing the game in every industry imaginable. Imagine a world where you have a super intelligent robot working alongside you, helping you make smarter decisions, automate boring tasks, and ultimately make more money. That's the power of AI. We're talking about opportunities you've never even dreamed of, like creating mind-blowing content, predicting market trends with crazy accuracy, or even automating your entire business. This is your chance to get ahead of the curve because trust me, AI is here to stay, and those who embrace it are the ones who are going to be laughing all the way to the bank. So buckle up, because in this video, I'm breaking down the 5 most insane ways you can start using AI to make some serious cash, all within the next 30 days. Let's kick things off with one of the most exciting applications of AI, trading bots. Imagine this. You're chilling at home, sipping on some lemonade, while your AI-powered trading bot is out there in the stock market, making you money 24/7. These bots are like the Wall Street gurus you see in movies, but instead of relying on gut feelings and insider trading, they use cold, hard data and lightning-fast algorithms to analyze market trends and execute trades with pinpoint accuracy. They can spot opportunities faster than any human ever could, potentially skyrocketing your profits in the process. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius or a financial whiz to get started. There are tons of user-friendly AI trading bot platforms out there ready to take your investment game to the next level. Next up, we're diving into the world of content creation, but with an AI twist. Imagine being able to pump out high-quality blog posts, engaging social media captions, or even entire video scripts in a fraction of the time it would normally take you. Well, guess what? With AI-powered content creation tools, that dream becomes a reality. These tools use advanced language models to understand your prompts and generate human-quality content that's not only engaging, but also tailored to your specific audience. It's like having a team of professional writers at your beck and call, 24/7. Whether you're a blogger, a social media influencer, or even a business owner looking to step up your marketing game, AI content creation tools can save you countless hours of work and help you reach a wider audience than ever before. Now, let's talk about customer service, the backbone of any successful business. But who says you need to hire an entire call center to handle customer inquiries? With AI-powered chatbots, you can automate your customer support and provide instant, personalized assistance to your customers 24/7. These chatbots are like having an army of helpful robots, ready to answer any questions, resolve issues, and even collect valuable customer feedback. They can handle a massive volume of inquiries simultaneously, freeing up your human agents to focus on more complex tasks. The result? Happier customers, reduced costs, and a boost in your bottom line. Finally, let's dive into the world of e-commerce, where AI is revolutionizing the way we buy and sell products online. Imagine having an AI assistant that can optimize your product listings, manage your inventory, personalize customer experiences, and even predict future trends, all with laser-like precision. With AI-powered e-commerce tools, you can gain a significant edge over your competitors and drive sales like never before. These tools can analyze massive amounts of data to identify your ideal customers, recommend the perfect products, and even automate your marketing campaigns for maximum impact. Whether you're running a small online store or a large e-commerce empire, AI can help you streamline your operations, boost your profits, and achieve e-commerce domination. There you have it, folks. 5 powerful ways to use AI to make money in the next 30 days. We've covered everything from trading bots and content creation to customer service and e-commerce, all powered by the incredible capabilities of artificial intelligence. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds amazing, but where do I even start? Well, that's the best part. There are tons of resources available online, from free tutorials and courses to paid tools and platforms that can help you get started with AI today. So what are you waiting for? Pick one of these strategies, dive in headfirst, and get ready to witness the transformative power of AI in your own life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. See you in the next video.